You guys really seem to be loving up these 3D shape questions. So let's take a look at this non-calculator question. So we've got a cube and a sphere. And they've said the surface area of the cube is equal to the surface area of the sphere. Show that x equals the root of k pi, where k is an integer, for 5 cheeky marks. All right, if you're lucky, you might get the formulas given to you. But in my opinion, if you need a formula booklet, you've not revised enough, buddy. So let's go without. See if you can remember what the formula is before I've even written them down. All right. Now the surface area of a cube is really easy because there's 6 faces, 4 around and 1, 2 top and bottom. So you're just doing the square times by 6. Okay. So the cube surface area, I'll say the cube A, is 6x squared. All right, because it's x times x. So one of these faces here is x squared. All right. Now, what is the surface area of a cube? A sphere. Well, a sphere area is 4 pi r squared. Okay, so areas should always have squared in them, all right? If it's a volume, it should say cubed, or at least the multiplication of 3 different letters, yeah, or one of them is squared multiplied by another letter, okay? So at least 3 lengths multiplied together. So they are saying that these 2 things are the same. However, they have told us that the radius of the sphere is 3. So make that substitution. So we get 9 times 4 is 36 pi. All right. So now we're going to equate them. So we have 6x squared is 36 pi. So this is definitely not going to be one of the harder shape questions that we've ever seen. But it's great that they're giving us loads of marks for it. Okay. So next we're going to divide both sides by 6. Yeah, to get rid of the coefficient, we get x squared is 6 pi. And there we go. To get our answer here, we're going to root both sides. The root is the opposite of squaring. X equals root of 6 pi centimeters. I mean, you don't even actually have to put centimeters because x is part of the centimeters, but k is an integer. So I'm going to say k is 6. Yeah, maybe in the exam they might have like a k equals and then you put your answer here. It just depends what they're asking. All right. So that is it, guys. What might have looked really intimidating at the start, you just follow what the question's asking you to do, where they said this. So guys, this is a given statement. Remember what I keep telling you, you always start with the given statement. Yeah, so that you're not faffing about with random things that don't make a difference to the question. So if you're less intimidated now, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. It helps us reach a larger audience. And subscribe for more maths content. If you want to submit your own questions, the Lund Gang Reddit is linked in the description. And if you're interested in my GCSE courses, the details are also in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Nice.